Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Kita's World. Get ready with me with work. Get ready for work with me. We're installing another glueless wig. You know what's up. That's what we do over here on Mean Girls World. But today we're doing a little something a little different. You know, if I can get it. I'm trying to do everything real time. You know. This was a gift that I've customized. I was so worried about the color. But then after I did my little 1, 2, and 3, 4, I was like, yeah, that's alright. Look, them edges is stuck underneath. We're going to pull them joints out. I got to learn how to not wear edges. I just think my forehead is so big that I always need an edge. But I digress. This morning has been a better one. I've been reading my Bible, honey. Rebuking all the evil spirits. Because, honey, it's got to be some evil spirits. Hair getting caught in the lace is annoying as hell. It's really annoying. But with light colors like this, I barely even want any edge. But until I get over the process of not liking edges, well, being able to say I like my install without edges, here I am, swoopy dooping. And that I'm going to get better on as well. This is the channel for y'all to help me, and I help y'all. So, how's everybody's mental health today? Mine's been amazing this morning so far. But, you know, it only goes from here. You know the Holy Grail. Couple seconds. Let it do its thing. Well, a couple seconds. You know, after a couple seconds it do its thing, that bitch won't move. I'm trying to debate if I just want some simple curls, and that's probably what I'm going to do. Nothing too much. Just some simple, literally, some simple ass touch-up curls. And I don't even think I'm going to really curl it. I just think I'm going to touch it up. Like, just give me a little body, yaddy. Just a tad. Just a little bit of body. I don't need too much. I'm trying to make this a fast one this morning. But yeah, actually talking to my therapist helped me because I was on a rampage. Nobody could say anything to me without me, you know, wanting war, basically. I wanted war with everybody, you know? But I'm telling y'all, mental health is mental wealth. Just that one session, it didn't fix everything. I'm still, but it's not as bad, you know? It's not as bad. It's really not as bad. And you can tell I'm being lazy because I'm only doing touch-up curls. I'm not touching the back. This shit will do just fine for the day. I tells you no lies. It's gonna look just as good. You gotta learn, honey. You have to learn. Everything is not made to be hard. Look at that. Yeah. And just like that, you ready to start your day. Like, it's really that simple. You go back in, you fix all your little stragglies, because that is my number one problem. That's where the hairspray comes in. But look, second day, eyelash sticking. What's that telling me? Buy some bigger ones. Buy some bigger ones. But yeah, thank y'all for this conversation this morning. It was very much needed. I hope everybody has a blessed day and everybody gets everything they deserve. Thanks for talking.